In this video, I'll be cleaning the spark arrestor and the muffler of my Honda CRF250L. According to the shop manual, this regular service maintenance should be done every 4,000 miles to prevent carbon buildup from restricting airflow in the muffler and diminishing engine performance. The tools you need are a 3mm and 5mm hex key, an 8mm socket and ratchet, and a brush. You may also need a rubber mallet to help with getting the tail cap off the muffler. First, allow the muffler to cool before doing the service. Get started by removing the two 5mm hex bolts, holding on the muffler cover. Next, remove the three 3mm hex bolts, holding on the muffler tail cap. To get the tail cap to come off, I had to tap it with a rubber mallet, then gently rock it back and forth until it came off. Using the ratchet and 8mm socket, remove the four bolts holding on the spark arrestor, then remove the spark arrestor and gasket from the muffler. As you can see, my spark arrestor wasn't too dirty this time, but it's a very easy service to do, so it doesn't hurt to check. Using a wire brush, scrub the mesh to remove all carbon buildup. Also use this time to inspect it. If you notice any breaks or holes in the spark arrestor or damage to the gasket, replace as necessary. Before reinserting the spark arrestor, check and make sure there's no dirt or debris in the end of the muffler. Then reinstall the spark arrestor and gasket. Tighten down all four 8mm bolts. Reinstall the muffler cap by gently bumping it into place until all the bolt holes are lined up. Then reinstall the three 3mm hex bolts. Finally, for the muffler cover, line up the tab in the middle on the back side of the cover. Then reinstall the two 5mm hex bolts. Please click the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also check out my CRF250L playlist for other bike-related maintenance items.